Welcome back to Data Science series. It's day 3 of our 30-day journey to mastering NumPy. Today we are diving into broadcasting. These techniques are essential for performing efficient calculations on arrays of different shapes and size. Let's get started. What is broadcasting? Broadcasting in NumPy simplifies element-wise operations by aligning arrays of different shapes automatically. It boosts code efficiency by eliminating the need for explicit loops when performing arithmetic operations. This feature is crucial for streamlined numerical computation across diverse array dimensions in data analysis. Let's import the NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Then let me create a 2D array of 2 into 3 matrix. To do this, let me create a variable, say 2 underscore array equal to, then np dot array function, inside it a set of square bracket, inside it add two more square bracket separated by comma, then 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 comma 5 comma 6, like this. Broadcasting allows NumPy to perform operations between arrays of different shapes by broadcasting the smaller array to match the shape of the larger array. Here we added a scalar to each element of a 2 underscore array. Now let me create two more arrays, say a equal to np dot array function, inside it a set of square bracket, and inside the set of square bracket add two more square brackets, which is two rows and one column matrix. Then let me create one more, np dot array with a set of parentheses, inside it a set of square bracket, say 10, 20 and 30, which is a one-dimensional array. Next, let's try adding two arrays with different shapes. We have a 2 into 1 matrix A and one-dimensional array B. Normally, adding two arrays of different shapes directly would result in a broadcasting error because the shapes are incompatible for element-wise operations. However, NumPy uses broadcasting to add the 2 into 1 matrix A to the one-dimensional array B. The value of each element in A is added to each element in B, resulting in a new 2 into 3 matrix where each row of A has been added to B. Even when arrays have different shapes, broadcasting rules allow NumPy to perform operations as long as their dimensions are compatible. This flexibility is powerful for handling diverse data structures. That's it for day 3. Practice this broadcasting technique to get comfortable with manipulating array effectively. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. See you tomorrow for day 4, where we will dive into array aggregations and statistical operations. Happy coding!